Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Start making this pattern like this. After drawing this, you can see that how perfectly these are being made. See, this leaf is looking very nice, standing near the complete outlook. You have to make this capsicum like this. After drawing the capsicum, you have to make a leaf pattern on the top along with its tendril. Now start making this bicycle by first drawing these circles, and after drawing these circles you have to join them all together. After joining them, see how this ride is being prepared. Draw 3 first and another 3 in this manner. After that draw a 4 and then complete the outlook by simply making this bird with his foot. Draw this on the white sheet, and after drawing this you can see that how the pattern is being made on the top of his head. See how it looks. Draw a circle, and after drawing a circle you simply have to make these patterns inside it. See how the shell is being prepared, and after you are done with this you can see that the tortoise look very elegant with his 4 legs and a cute tail. Draw these lines and then start making this. After inserting some lines in it, you can see that how we are going to make this cute little creature with the help of a black marker. His eyes are very close, and see how perfectly a nose is being made. Now complete the outlook by following these very few easy steps. Draw these circles first, and after drawing these circles you simply have to join them all together. Now simply make this on the top of it, and a car is made along with windows and a steering wheel. Draw this pattern first, and after drawing this you have to see that how perfectly these two cuties look while being placed all together. Draw B, and after the alphabet you have to convert it into this kitten. See how perfect her hairs are on the face and how perfectly her tail fits her body. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.